Josh, Stephanie, where are we? Give me a date.
Oh, we're at Phil's Fish House in Monterey, California.
I like.
We're in
Nice bib. All right, you guys, give me a little wave. Hi, Pauline.
another delicious.
And I'll definitely, hi Katie, I'll definitely get all the table. Wow, the damage has been done. Dad, how much was your lunch bill?
More than it should have been for fish.
Dad asked if or I asked for him if we could be on a payment plan for lunch.
Video of the sea lion.
Yeah, mine's super red. Because it was so rich.
Hey! What's happening?
I like your glasses.
You're recording?
Yeah. Tell me what the date is. I don't think we got that yet.
Was it like I don't know, the days will kind of just blend
I think it's August 20th, Friday.
We don't typically keep track of the dates in Carmel by the Sea.
Right. Okay, bye.